Firefighters don't just save cats from trees, they get them out of vending machines too. According to a Facebook post from the city of Morristown in Tennessee, an adorable kitten found itself in a pickle after managing to get stuck in a Pepsi vending machine at Walmart. On Wednesday, a Walmart employee named Lindsay contacted the Morristown Fire Department to alert them to a kitten caught inside the machine at her workplace, according to the social media post from Morristown. Firefighters arrived on the scene and could hear the kitten crying inside the machine, the post added. After unplugging the machine and removing the cover on the back, rescuers still couldn't spot the little feline. They found another opening where they could see it and coaxed it out, the post from the Tennessee city shared. Now Lindsay has a new kitten. Fire crews joked about naming it Pepsi. Iowa Animal Rescue saves 30 filthy cats. They didn't know their lives were about to change. Earlier this year, an Amazon delivery driver in Des Moines, Iowa, came to the rescue of a cat after an unknown individual tossed the pet out of a car window. The unidentified driver witnessed the cat being thrown out of the car window of the car right ahead of him. So he stopped, pulled over, bent down, and she came right to him, Iowa Pet Foods and Seascapes owner Lori Sandal told KCCI. The cat was brought to Iowa Pet Foods and Seascapes by the driver, where she is now doing amazing, according to Sandal. The incident was not the first time an Amazon delivery driver came to the rescue of a four-legged friend. Las Vegas vet assistant adopts kitten after treating cat for severe burns from dumpster fire. In 2020, one of the company's drivers saved a senior dog from drowning in a backyard pool in Woburn, Massachusetts. John Casabria jumped into the pool with everything on to save a 14-year-old pup named Luca after spotting him struggling to stay afloat in the pool's deep end. "I thought only of the dog at the moment," he told WBZ-TV at the time. "I happened to be in the right moment at the right time," he added. "I would repeat the same actions over and over if I had to."